Welcome to this short video. In this video I'm going to introduce you to the basic HTML5 structure. So just follow along with me with any code editor that you have or you are using. For me, I'm going to go along with my bracket. Just type my HTML5, hit tab. So this is the basic structure of all HTML5 as from now. What we have here, we have our head, which represents our title and so on and so forth, and here our body, whereby you can use it to come up with whatever kind of design of any web application or mobile application that you want. So this is where you put everything, your column, your row, no matter kind of widget that you always dream of. This is where you're gonna put everything. So this is how everything look like. So let me just run it. You guys should take a look at it, even though I'm not writing anything, but it's just a basic. You see, just show you a document. So if I'm just gonna add some one head, let me just put, I'm just gonna add something like let me just put one like mayo. It's actually gonna show. So this is the first headline mayo. So that is the basic structure of any HTML5. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. And if you are new here for your first time, please, before you go, hit the subscribe button for more videos every week and anytime. Thank you.